What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jackson. You're our friend Matic, currently sitting at $1.34, up 2% on the day. Sitting a market cap of 11.51 billion. 24-hour volume, 1.16 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitkit, sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses, or buy Bit up to 30K in bonuses. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So let's hop into Matic. So we saw a big pump up here. There was a huge whale purchase, which I posted in my Discord, and that's why we saw the spike. So it's a little bit hard to say, but I do think this upward move is coming to an end. What you may be looking at is we've already completed the 5-wave move, and now you're putting in an A, B, C, which will lead to a wave W. You'll push up in a wave X and then come down in a wave Y to take you down to the wave 2 pullback zone. That's a bit of a loose guess. But the market does look like it's going to see a large correction, and most likely that's when you'll see the price of Matic continue to pull back as well. As I mentioned, we are pushing up into absolutely massive resistance here in between the $1.30 to about $1.40 range. So it would make sense. We're overbought on the daily time frame, and with a bearish divergence to start to see that pullback. Of course, if we just continue to push up, then just watch your next resistance at about $1.42. But what we're looking at from the bottom here is a wave 1 up, ABC into a 2, looking to go up in the wave 3. So what we could be looking at here is a wave 1 and then pulling back in a wave 2, take you down to about 95 cents to $1, push up in a 345 to complete that wave 3 with a target of $4.31 for the price of Matic. So just a quick update. More confirmation, of course, if we start to break down from this rising wedge. We do have a bearish divergence on the hourly as well as the 4-hour time frame. There's a divergence. So if Matic fails to break this high, we begin to roll over. It's also a double top pattern, and that could take you down to about $1.15. If we do see continuation to the upside, all that it means is that this wave count, this 5th wave, is not finished yet. But I do think it's likely we see some pullback soon. We'll have to see how it plays out. All right, gang, make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bitkit. Grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto with the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, signals, crypto news. I posted some news about Gala today, as well as that big whale purchase for Matic. Big Ethereum whale purchase, I think it was like $2 billion worth of Matic, or $3 billion. I can see how the members are doing. They like to post their profits in here. Mahalo all plays. $10 a month. Sign up to the